Hey, students and families, we are about to take off on a new learning focus. This is our final unit for the year, and it is going to be all about the growth that students have gone through over this year and also their last 5 years or 6 years of being alive. Kindergartners are right at that age where they are learning a lot and they're also acquiring a lot of new skills. So, there are a lot of things that they couldn't do before that they can do now. They're also exploring the things that they enjoy doing and the things that they're good at. This week, we are going to be talking all about students' talents and ways that they help their families. Over the next few weeks, we're going to be doing a lot of reflections about just how much kindergartners have grown and how much they can do now that they weren't able to do before. I am really looking forward to the read alouds this week and over the next few weeks, and I'm excited to hear your kiddos' reflections. I hope you have a great week.